The wolves of Wall Street. Many people think that investing in mutual funds is safe. The advantage is that you do not need to pick individual stocks. Mutual funds reduce risk by providing you with a diverse portfolio. But how do you choose the right mutual fund? In America alone, there are 9,500 different mutual funds. Can you guess why so many companies want to offer them? You got it. Mutual funds earn them plenty of fees. Mutual funds are actively managed funds. The fund manager trades often to beat the market. They try to predict which companies will perform well in the weeks or months to come. But these financial experts are no better than predicting the future than you and I. When fund managers trade stocks, they are vulnerable to making mistakes. They do not only have to decide which stocks to buy or sell, they also have to decide when to buy or sell them. On top of this, all this trading in and out is expensive. The brokerage firm charges a commission for every transaction. Actively managed funds are like playing poker. There are too many chips on the table. There are several probabilities. If the stock goes up after you bought it, you win. But you have to win large enough to cover the transaction costs. Not only that, when your stock goes up and you want to sell it, you need to pay taxes on your profits. Now let us compare mutual funds to index funds. In index funds, there are no trading in and out of stocks. You simply buy and hold every stock in a list of companies or index. Like for example, the S&P 500. It is the list of the biggest stocks in the country. On the top of the S&P 500 are Apple, Microsoft, Amazon, Facebook, and Google. You do not have to choose anymore because they are already the best. Index funds also work on autopilot. They don't trade often, so there are much less transaction costs and tax bills. Plus, they do not have to pay the huge salaries of active fund managers who are prone to making mistakes. You may ask yourself, so what the hell do I get when I invest in an actively managed fund? Well, you have the toxic mix of human error, nasty fees, and high taxes. Warren Buffett is one of the most successful investors in the world. He is the CEO of Berkshire Hathaway. In one kick-ass move, he proved the clear advantage of index funds against actively managed funds. In 2008, Warren had a bet of $1 million with Protege Partners, a firm based in New York. He challenged the firm to pick its top 5 hedge funds, which could beat the S&P 500 index within a decade. The result is that the hedge funds only grew by 21.87%, while the S&P 500 grew by 65.67%. Warren Buffett gave instructions that when he dies, the trust that he left for his wife should only be invested in index funds. You need to think long-term, just like him. Never fall for the schemes of fund managers who charge high fees.